A very good morning to one and all present in this convocation hall and connected through online mode. Chief guest of the convocation, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji, Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India, Guest of Honor, Shri Manoj Sinha ji, Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, members of Board of Governors and Senate, former principals, directors of the Institute, distinguished guests, professionals from print and electronic media, my dear students and scholars, particularly those who will be receiving degree certificates and awards, I welcome you all to this felicitous occasion. We are extremely honored today with the gracious presence of Honorable Minister of Education, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji, as our chief guest. Sir, your presence has added an indispensable dimension of motivation and inspiration to this auspicious occasion. We are also highly privileged to have with us Shri Manoj Sinha ji, Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Jammu and Kashmir, as guest of honor. We are extremely grateful to Honorable Vice Chancellors of various state and central universities of Kashmir for joining us online. We are honored to have you, sirs. Now may I present a brief chronicle of various activities, achievements and future plan for NIT Srinagar. The National Institute of Technology Srinagar, erstwhile Regional Engineering College Srinagar, was established in 1960. It is one among the first 8 such institutes which were set up in the country as a joint venture of Government of India and the respective state governments during the second 5-year plan period. In 2003, the institute was converted to National Institute of Technology and in 2007 declared as Institute of National Importance under the direct control of Ministry of Education, Government of India. The institute functions under the overall guidance of the Board of Governors. The institute offers 8 BTech degree programs in chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, and metallurgical and materials engineering. The institute also offers 11 MTech programs, MSc program in physics, MSc program in chemistry, MSc program in technology, innovations and entrepreneurship dynamics, MBA, MPhil programs in the departments of physics, chemistry, mathematics, and humanities, social sciences and management. Moreover, all the departments offer PhD programs. 4 PG programs, namely MTech, Electrical Power and Energy Systems, MSc Chemistry, MSc Tide, and MBA have been started from this session. We are grateful to Ministry of Education for granting approval to start these new PG programs. In addition, NIT Srinagar has established 5 centers, that is Water Resources Management Center, Central Research Facility Center, Computer Services Center, Maintenance Engineering Center, Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship Development Center. In this convocation, 48 PhD, 213 MTech, 8 MSc and 876 BTech candidates will be awarded a degree in virtual mode. In total, 1145 students will be receiving their academic degrees today and head out in the real world to conquer challenges that awaits them. 17 gold medals to the toppers of each branch of BTech and 22 gold medals to the toppers of each program of MTech and MSc will also be awarded for 2019 and 2020 pass-out batches. Various programs of the Government of India like Inspire, Ekta Divas, Swachh Bharat Mission, Sadbhavna Divas, Good Governance Day, International Yoga Day, etc. have been successfully conducted at NIT Srinagar. A Golden Jubilee alumni meet of the pass-out batch of 1969 and Silver Jubilee of pass-out batch of 1994 was conducted on 15th February 2021 in a virtual mode where around 300 alumni of institute participated from across the globe. This was the first such meet held in the history of NIT Srinagar. The Training and Placement Department has an unflinching devotion in sprucing up outstanding professionalism in the students besides honing their technical dexterity. Despite the current pandemic situation, the campus recruitment at NIT Srinagar is promising and in some departments more than 75% of the placement has been achieved. NIT Srinagar recognizes its responsibility to be a driver of social change for the community at large. Various programs, camps and workshops are organized to enhance the social skill of students and make them aware of their duties and inculcate a sense of empathy in them. NIT Srinagar has signed an agreement with AVL Austria to carry out academic research in the area of internal combustion engines under AVL AST UPP University Partnership Program. An Indo-Tunisia joint project for development and tribological characterization of self-lubricating nanosilicon nitride and nanosilicon ceramic composites exceeding INR 2.1 million is sanctioned by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. An Indo-Uzbekistan joint project on the development, mechanical and tribological characterization of nanothermoplast PP, thermoreactive ER, nanofiller composites and polymer coatings has been approved by DST. NIT Srinagar has received 87 crores out of the sanctioned amount of rupees 100 crores for upgradation of hostel, mess facilities, medical facilities, data center, sports facilities, institute library, e-education management system, development of IIED and CRFC. So far, the institute has spent rupees 60 crores for the upgradation of various facilities. NIT Srinagar has received grant under World Bank funded scheme Technical Education Quality Improvement Program 3, that is TECUP 3, for the upgradation of teaching learning methods, students training, UG laboratory facilities, research facilities, conducting GATE coaching and remedial classes. An amount of rupees 15 crore was initially allocated for NIT Srinagar under TECUP 3 in various heads. Being the high-performing institute in terms of overall parameters, additionally an amount of rupees 3.2 crore was sanctioned. Around 95% of the funds allocated have been utilized till date. Engine tribo tester and tribo corrosion module have been purchased in order to strengthen the tribology lab of Mechanical Engineering Department. Language lab has been established in the Department of Humanities, Social Sciences and Management. Environment Sustainability Study Lab and coating machine for CRFC under twinning activity has been established. HPLC and FTIR equipment for the labs of Chemical Engineering Department has been purchased and are fully operational. The faculty of the institute has been benefited to improve their academic and administrative skills through various online training programs and faculty development programs conducted in-house and outside NIT Srinagar. NIT Srinagar has provided GATE coaching classes for the final year students batch 2017 for GATE 2021. On the research front, PhD students have been participating in various national events, conferences. Students have been selected for internships in highly reputed public sector units like BSNL, GAIL, etc. UG, PG and PhD students have been provided grant to carry out their research activities and to attend various conferences. NIT Srinagar jointly organized the 8th ISFT conference with JC Bose University, YMCA Faridabad and CSI 2020 conference with KIIT University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Financial support is being provided to final year students for their placement drive. 5 PhD students are also enrolled under TECUP 3 from Civil, Mechanical, Computer Science, Information Technology and Electronics and Communication Engineering departments at NIT Srinagar, and their research assistantship are funded through TECUP funds. Equity Action Plan has been implemented in NIT Srinagar. Management Information System, PFMS, accounting softwares have been rolled out for better efficiency and governance in TECUP 3. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan is a flagship program of Ministry of Education, Government of India for transformational change in rural development processes. National Institute of Technology Srinagar is participating in various activities of UBA since 2016. NIT Srinagar has been declared as Regional Coordinating Institute for Kashmir region in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. NIT Srinagar has donated computers and UPS to schools for establishing computer labs. The Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship Development Center of NIT Srinagar aims to coordinate and leverage out-of-the-box thinking and fostering a culture of cutting-edge technology. It is thus aimed at making NIT Srinagar the harbinger of innovation by offering industrial solutions with an emphasis on national growth and social upliftment. Grassroots Innovation Design Studio, GRIDS, has been set up in association with NIF, National Innovation Foundation India, at NIT Srinagar. IIED Center has successfully completed a time and motion study for Manrega works across Jammu and Kashmir, including Ladakh, for a project worth 2.5 million. On the sports front, NIT Srinagar has successfully organized a host of activities on campus as well as participated in sports activities in other institutions. The institute hosts various clubs such as Semicolon, Debate Society, and Abhivyakti for the holistic development of the students. An international conference on nanotechnology was organized last year jointly by NIT Srinagar and IIT Kanpur. Besides, an international conference on contemporary business trends was organized on 16th and 17th January 2021. In addition to all this, a lot of technical and non-technical workshops on fields such as robotics, ethical hacking, photography, PLC, SCADA, etc. were held on the campus. With reference to TechCube-sponsored events, NIT Srinagar has conducted more than 30 short-term courses, 6 international conferences, symposiums, 13 workshops, and 24 expert lectures till date. Members of faculty regularly publish research papers in various referred national, international journals and conferences. More than 900 research papers have been published in Scopus Web of Science Index journals in the past 3 years. Research projects are funded by various agencies like DST, UGC, CSIR, IVAC, UGC, DAE, CPRI. In last 3 years, the faculty has been awarded research projects worth rupees 3.25 crores. 5 patents have been already published, 1 patent has been granted, and 7 more have been filed. The institute is providing consultancy services to various government and private organizations and industries. In the last 3 years, the total earning from consultancy is more than rupees 3 crores. Some of the ongoing development projects on the campus are construction of auditorium, construction of guest house, upgradation of sports facilities, upgradation of main entrance gate, construction of additional girls hostel and mega hostel for boys, upgradation of the electrification system, landscaping of existing campus, major renovation of academic, residential and hostel blocks. NIT Srinagar is expanding based on the vision document prepared in 2012. We are expecting to enroll more than 6,000 students, including UG, PG and research scholars by 2025. It is our dream to make NIT Srinagar a globally acclaimed technical institution with cutting-edge research in frontier areas of local, regional, national and global importance. I am hopeful that together we will be able to realize our dream. For our future growth, the institute is in urgent need of additional land and for establishing its second campus so that the institute blooms in terms of capacity building with new horizons of academic excellence. This institute's students, past and present, continue to do us proud by winning laurels in different fields. Dear pass-out students, you are destined to succeed, for you are one among the brightest in the country. Let every one of you lead our country onto the path of glory. I hope you will follow the path of righteousness, honesty, and commitment in pursuits of excellence. Above all, try to establish human values and fellow feeling, and do not forget the sacrifices made by your parents and teachers to build your career. In building a new India of tomorrow, you are going to be a major player. There are many challenges and issues ahead. You owe a lot to the society, but I am sure with strong willpower and conviction, you will be able to face the challenges and contribute towards the economic and social development of nation at large. Do remember what Joel Brown said. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that is actually possible. I congratulate you all on this auspicious occasion and wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors. God bless you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.